In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion reminders. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking for a way to streamline your organization and productivity, setting reminders can be a game changer, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by heading over to the Notion website. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.notion.com. Notion is a powerful tool that combines notes, tasks, database management, and much more, all in one place. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and if you haven't already created an account, you might want to consider doing so, as it allows you to take full advantage of Notion's amazing features. Assuming you have an account, you'll now see the option to continue with Google. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This step simplifies the login process and keeps everything tied neatly to your existing digital setup. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion workspace. If you're new here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. Access your specific page where you wish to set a reminder. Inside your page, navigate to where you want to add your reminder. To set up a reminder, simply start typing "reminder" into the page. You'll see a pop-up option that allows you to add a reminder directly onto your page. Once you've done that, it's time to set the specifics of your reminder. Click directly on the section that says Date or Reminder. This lets you designate precisely when you'd like your reminder to alert you. It's a great tool for keeping track of deadlines, appointments, or any task that necessitates a timely nudge. Now you'll need to set the date for when you want this reminder to ping you. You can select the date from a calendar view, ensuring you've picked the right day, and then, if necessary, adjust the time to get the exact moment you want the notification. Once you've set your date, your reminder will be active and Notion will alert you accordingly. Congratulations! You've just set up your first Notion reminder. Integrating these notifications into your daily workflow can significantly boost your productivity. This small but mighty feature can become a cornerstone of staying organized and efficient, helping you manage everything from complex project timelines to simple daily tasks. So go ahead, experiment, and see how Notion reminders can best fit into your life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!